In this video, we'll introduce multiple functions of Ursalink DeviceHub and teach you how to use them. Let's see how the DeviceHub helps you manage your Ursalink devices. Log into the DeviceHub. You can see all the binding devices are on dashboard. Information like online status with graphical chart, the recent alarms from each device, and device group is available. On the device part, you can check basic information of connected devices, such as device name and serial number. Now click location icon to check current location and historical trackings. Make sure you have enabled the GPS function on the device. It's quite convenient to access device from anywhere when the device doesn't have a public IP. Let's click the Earth button to set up a custom access duration. But don't forget to enable the remote access permission of HTTPS or SSH on the device first. Now we click this to check the detail and change the device's name and grouping. Also, you can click this to assign basic users to manage the device, or you can click the trash button to remove the device. When the green light is on, we know that the router is connected to DeviceHub and working properly, while the red light means something goes wrong and you need to check the alarm. If the light turns gray, then the device is offline. If you wish to know how to add a device into DeviceHub, you can watch our previous video lesson 5. If you want to remove devices from your account, just select and click delete. That's easy, isn't it? You can upgrade the firmware of remote devices via DeviceHub. Select the device, click Upgrade, select File. Check Offline Device Upgrade if you need. Then the device will be upgraded when it is back online. Remember to click Save and this part is done. Moreover, the DeviceHub allows you to configure remote devices through provisioning. Let's select the device, click Provisioning, and click Obtain to get the current configuration of the device. Then you can modify the configuration on the right panel and deploy the configuration. At last, click Apply to Offline Device if needed. In this part, you can filter alarms by type, serial number, date, and alarm level. You can also remove the extra alarms by acknowledge. It's easy. You can search for operation logs by filtering the conditions to help you troubleshoot problems. You can see your account info and set up email notification about alarms according to different roles. On the user page, Super Admin can create or delete admin and basic user account, and the admin can create or delete basic user account only. And the security page is for password management. The firmware upgrading and provisioning tasks are listed on the task page, and you can start the pending task or stop the one in progress in bulk as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us. See you next time.